Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we're looking at a Maytag freestanding electric oven. We're going to be showing you how to replace a couple components that are located inside the console of the unit. To do so, you must gain access to the back of the unit. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Tools you will need for this repair is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and a tack puller. Now that you have unplugged the unit and gained access to the back, first we'll need to remove the plate here. This covers your terminal block as well as wiring. There are 2 screws that hold it in. Push down and pull out. Now that we have the bottom panel removed, there are 5 screws that hold on the top panel. Once you remove these, just be very careful. The metal is extremely sharp. Grab it and set it aside. Before you remove your last one, put pressure on the plate so it doesn't fall. Grab it from the bottom, slide out. Now with the panels removed, we now have access to the main control assembly. Some of the main reasons why you'll be replacing the main control assembly is that either the unit is not powering up on the front interface. You'll notice you won't have a clock, stuff like that. Sometimes maybe the buttons, you won't be able to press them. It won't press bake or it won't press start. Generally that happens on the buttons that you hit the most. Now also you could find that maybe your element isn't working. If you have tested your elements, make sure that they have proper continuity and you're just not getting 240 volts down to it. Well, we know that we have 240 volts going to the unit. Maybe the relay on the board is stuck or it's keeping the element on. To begin this repair, you'll first have to remove all of the wiring harnesses connected. Gently pull out. Now with those removed, you'll have 2 screws, one on each side, both Phillips, you'll have to take off. Set the screws aside, pull out, and remove your main control. To install your main control, slide it in the proper spots. You'll notice that the middle screw holes are the ones that you're gonna go into. I recommend first putting it in there by hand just to kind of get it started so you don't slip and hit any of the board components. Next, tighten them up. We'll replace your Molex connectors. You are not going to mess this up. There's only one designated spot for each Molex. Just make sure when you're looking at them that these terminals correspond with where these are. And attach that last one. Now we can reinstall the rear panels. Line your top panel up again. The middle will slide in. Put 1 screw in and tighten it. Line up. Put the other screw in on the other side just to hold it up. I'll replace the other perimeter screws. Now we can reinstall the bottom plate. Line up your bottom plate. You'll notice that these kind of got a ledge where it basically pushes in these slots and lifts up. So align both sides in the designated slots. Slide up, replace your screws. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.